Hi kids! Today, we're going to draw a beautiful flower. It's super easy and fun. So grab your black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start by drawing a circle in the middle, but not just any circle. Make it wavy to give it a cool, fun look. Now, around the wavy circle, draw 8 petals. These petals should be nice and rounded. Behind the first set of petals, let's draw another 8 petals, but make them bigger this time. These will make our flower look fuller and more amazing. Great job! Let's decorate the first set of petals by adding a few straight lines on each one. Now, decorate the wavy circle in the center with dots. Look at how cool that looks! Wow, your flower is already looking awesome! Now, grab your black marker again and make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Look at how cute and vibrant our flower looks.
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Grab your color pens and let's bring our flower to life. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color.
La da 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 dee.
Yay!
Ocean blue color.
Wow!
Sea green color. Nice job, everyone! Look at how bright and colorful our flower turned out. Thanks for drawing with me today. Don't forget to like and share your artwork with us. See you next time. Bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.